What's up, everybody? So today is actually going to be a little bit different. I am, I actually just moved all my stuff upstairs, so I can focus, and I got some other stuff that's happening in my life, which we'll discuss later. Um, so before we get right into this TA, tonight is of course New Year's, and we're all, granted, excuse all this dirtiness up here. I probably got to get some better lighting, um, and just finish up things here, but. Tonight we'll be looking to bring in a new year, and also we'll be looking for Bitcoin to break some newer highs from the previous lows we just went through. One of the things that I want to focus on this year is actually staying committed to my trades, getting in and out, and understanding that cryptocurrency is fucking different from any other trading that you can ever do because you have these quick shakeouts with the wicks just come down real fast and your stop loss should hit all day. Boom, boom, boom. You can go through so many trades with your stop loss hitting. And one of the things I actually learned is making sure you have enough money to actually support your trades and not leveraging so much. I did a lot of over leveraging this last few months and I paid for that shit. One of the things that I actually want to focus on, other things is, you know, again, getting in and out of my trades, staying consistent with what I believe in, and wait for stuff to happen. I sent a buddy of mine a text message on Thursday that I got a bearish divergence on Bitcoin, and the market ended up going down tremendously, but it didn't really start happening fast until like Saturday, I believe. So just staying consistent with that. So we're gonna look at Bitcoin real quick. I did just make my first trade of the day, in which I made a little bit of money, not much, but I got in and out because I had to go cook some food. So let's look at Bitcoin. So recently we just broke a support at 48,000 and we pushed all the way up to 48,500. Now if you enter this trade right here after it broke, you got a pretty good amount of money, but if you held it too long and wait for the retest, you are fucked. It ultimately broke all the way back down to this support here, and with this red line is support off of the hourly. My yellows are supports off of the daily. So I am really sitting here waiting to see if it breaks this. If it does, I probably will enter me a short, and play it down to 45,500. Another thing I want to show you too is I think we are in a minor bear market with Bitcoin, and the only reason I'm saying that is because what the fuck I got going on here? All right. So the only reason I'm saying that is because if you look at Bitcoin on the hourly and you want to play this trend line right here, got a lot of shit up here. Let me get rid of that. I gotta get my mouse pad up here because I cannot maneuver this mouse on this table. All right, so if you want to play this trend line right here to where we were definitely up in the uptrend, and you could probably play somewhat of a parallel channel here. We got 1, 2, and 1, 2 points up here, and it ultimately broke down here to the downside. Now, ultimately, you want to play it to the next support, which is this zone right here, and it perfectly hit it, and then pushed back up to retest this all-time high, which was not all-time high, which was a high at 51,900, looking to break over to 52. So it slightly did break over to 52, which it did was 52,068, and I know that because I already did my research. And it retested this support line right here and ultimately broke right back down. Now this is not a simple break. Let's see the percent it went down. Ooh, 11%, man. 11% is definitely liquidations of long positions. I would say anywhere around 4 to 5% you're getting liquidated if you don't have a good risk reward management. And there was no pushing back up anywhere within it except for around this area right here. So now, after all that happened, I started to work this trend line here, break through to the bottom side, push back up, pass through the support, the resistance, and we're set around $48,000 for a little bit. Now, if you take this on a lower time frame, you can see the consolidation, and ultimately we broke back down here. Now, again, this red zone here is a support for me, but not on a major scale. This is a minor support in which I am hoping that it actually come back down here and retest the zone here. So what I like to do is set me up a, my mic is on the floor. I don't even know how this volume works. So what I like to do is set me up a buy limit around this area here for a nice quick maybe 1 or 2%. and call it a day. So with that, I am done for right now. I gotta finish getting this room situated and get myself comfortable with trading, and then we're gonna be putting this away because sometimes I'll fall asleep and don't even set a stop loss. So with that being said, it's the Black Bitcoiner. We are signing off. Peace.